and I'm pursuing BTech from Ashland Institute, which is affiliated from YMCA. I'm working on recently AIML, so this is it. Share screen. बटे तो हट गया स्क्रीन कैसे स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो गया
गौरी प्रेजेंट पे क्लिक करो.
ऐसे ही होगा so this is the interface of the Copilot Studio. I've already signed in. This is the home page. Okay. Okay. And so yeah, Copilot Studio. It's like a studio where we can build our own Copilot assistant, and this is the home page. This is for the working professional, not for everyone. Not yet. It's not for everyone. So yeah, this is the home page, and these are the templates, and these are the learning resources where we can study about the Copilot Studio. So yeah, अगर हम इस पे कोई भी प्रॉम्प्ट डालते हैं तो ये अपना एक Copilot स्टूडियो दे देता है कोई भी प्रॉम्प्ट लाइक Copilot for ML. सो या इट्स रेडी. सो ये हमारा को पायलट बन के तैयार हो गया है. इसमें हम अपनी एमएल के बारे में कुछ भी हम इससे पूछ सकते हैं. इट्स लाइक सर्च इंजन ऑल्सो. हाँ. सो दिस इज अ स्किप टू कॉन्फ़िगर. इसमें हम अपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऐड कर सकते हैं. अपनी जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो डाल सकते हैं. एक्नॉलेज कर सकते हैं. ये पब्लिक वेबसाइट्स हैं शेयर पॉइंट. ये अवेलेबल है पब्लिक वेबसाइट शेयर पॉइंट ये चीज़ें. बट दिस इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल येट. एंटरप्राइज डाटा कनेक्शंस ये भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. ओके. सो बैक. ओके. These are the templates. Safe travels, कोई भी website question and answer, team navigator, IT help desk, store operations and case managements, and बहुत सारे इसमें we can see more of it. Like if we continue with the safe travels, so this is a inbuilt like co-pilot. Safe travels. Okay. Uh, safe travels. So we can create ask thing about the safe travels. Slow it. Okay. Like hi, best place for vacations. So ऐसे as you can see the response, uh, हमने इसको prompt दिया है कि like best place for the vacations, and here are the like Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania. So these are the like जो हमने prompt दिया उसका आंसर किया है इसने. हम कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं ऐसे. ओके. Best place to visit in New York. Okay, so you can wait. Best place to visit in New York. So these are the suggestions and recommendations. Central Park, Times Square. So बेसिकली ये क्या है कि एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस जगह है जो न्यूयॉर्क में यू कैन विजिट. ओके, यू कैन पब्लिश टू. सॉरी. ओके, these are the topics and actions. Add action. Analytics and channels. Okay. So these are the suggestions, and these are the channels too. Analytics, actions. You can add or delete a table from the database, like delete a row, get forecast for today, list rows present in a table. Like these are the suggestions. These are the basic actions you can perform. Create a new flow, upload new skill, add an API for a customer connector. You can integrate to the Microsoft 365 also. Okay. Performance. These are the okay. Major performance of the Copilot. This is for the measurements. Okay. And these are the channels जो कि मैंने पहले ही बता दिया है. And okay, so yeah, back to the home page. Network security assistant. This is for the cyber security task. Network security assistant. So this is related to the cyber security. You can add your prompt. You can ask for the cyber security. Okay. Network segmentation. What is network segmentation? Okay. हमने prompt दिया and here are the suggestions: improve security, enhance performance, access control, compliance, and simplified management. Okay. You can ask about the cyber security. Also, we can edit the co-pilot by changing instructions. Okay. So yeah, this is all about the Copilot Studio. Uh, this is the home page and sorry, create. Okay, we can create also. Can build our new Copilot Studio in every field and suggestions for the discoveries. Like हम किसी भी चीज़ पे इसको बना सक लाइक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. And these are the rebuilt. So this is our that I built. Okay. Copilot for Microsoft 365 Safe Travels Copilot Studio जो कि मैंने अभी किया परफॉर्म. Co-pilots. So integrate your other environments like Google Drive. Okay. Co-pilots, libraries, and yeah, this is it. This is all about the Copilot Studio. So thank you.